Alright, so what I'm working on today is my Milwaukee random orbital palm sander. This is the model number 6021-21. This is an old school one with a cord. Let me show you what's going on. I've had this for a few years. I really like using it, but as such it is wearing out, and the pad here, which is a hook and loop pad, the sandpaper doesn't stick to it anymore. So we're going to replace that. So I went on Amazon and picked up this little package here. No particular reason that I picked this. They all seem to be made in the same place. We know where that is. And the price is about 15 bucks. This is a 2-pack. So let's open it up and take a look inside. Alright, so I've already kind of ripped the tape open here, so we can get into it easy enough. And there is a new pad. There is a little tool. And there's a second new pad. And it looks like the pads are identical, yes. So, the tool has little Torx ends. Let's take the sander here. And if we look inside there, yep, there are 4 screws and they're Torx. So let's do the obvious thing and loosen them up. Yeah, it looks like that screw might also have a flat. Maybe you can use a flat screwdriver, but it came with the tool. Let's use the tool. Oh, it doesn't want to come out of there. Alright, well, let's get at the other ones here. Last one. And there it is. So let's pop these screws out of here so we can reuse those. Open up a new package. Yep, the holes line up good. Ooh, I see the heads of these screws are going to be tight fit in those holes. But I'm going to push them in so they stick out like that. And of course we got to line them up here. So ooh, I got lucky, hit it on the first hole. So before we tighten it, let's make sure the next one Alright, I got it on the first try. Now let's tighten these things down. I'm just going to snug them up a little bit. They weren't too tight to begin with, so I'm not going to try to get them very tight. Just make sure they're snug. Alright, now let's get some sandpaper and make sure it works. Alright, so we got some hook and loop sandpaper. And the problem we had before was that I'd put it on here and it wouldn't take long before it would not stick. So let's take a look at the new pad. Ooh, I can tell already. Oh yeah. Yeah, see here, you'd sand and sand and eventually it would come off. You can see it's not sticking very good. Whereas the new stuff, yeah, like I could almost lift up the whole sander because it sticks so good. So there you go. This obviously is not lined up. The holes aren't lined up. But anyway, that is the repair. We went from the old to the new. And there's my dog barking in the background. So anyway, thanks for watching.